Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautifully presented 4 double bedroom end mews property over on Montonmill Gardens in Eccles. So it is double storey extended, does have a garage that you can access from inside also, and a large driveway to the front. So you'll see as we enter, we've got this fantastic porch space, which leads us through into this gorgeous living area. The open staircase. Everything in this property is presented absolutely beautifully. It's immaculate throughout. Just show you from this angle so you can get a real vision of the space that it offers. We then go through to this gorgeous kitchen dining space. Loads of wall and base units. Loads of windows letting natural light in, and you have got access to the garage there also. You've got your integrated appliances and space for a freestanding oven. Beautiful tiled flooring and spotlights throughout. Now as we head on through to the dining area, you see this fantastic space with double doors to the rear. And a really bright space in here, beautifully presented. Then out onto this fantastic rear garden. Absolutely gorgeous space out here. Gets the sun near enough all day. Got a low maintenance rear garden and the beautiful seating area there, which will be remaining. It is all fitted to the house, so we'll be staying. Just show you from a bit further back. It's absolutely beautiful back here, nice and peaceful, really quiet. Stunning area. Just show you this space again so you can get a really good feel for how much space it does offer and how well it is utilised. Now as we head on upstairs in the property, you'll find 4 double bedrooms. There's also a family bathroom and an ensuite, as well as a small dressing area to the master. Got this gorgeous runner up the stairs. So to the right, we have the master with the ensuite and dressing room. Really good sized double room. Still loads of space for furniture around. As we head on through the first door, you've got this small dressing area here. Does have wardrobes in at the moment, but could be used any way that you like. Through to the ensuite, which has the large walk-in shower, sink and WC. Then got the family bathroom to the right here. Again, a really good space. And to this side, the smallest of the 4 bedrooms, which is still a really good size double room, is currently used as an aesthetics room, but could be changed back into a bedroom. Through to the second bedroom, again a really good space in here. Lovely and bright. Just show you from another angle. Loads of space for furniture around it also. And then through to the front bedroom. Got this gorgeous space in here, part of the extension. Just show you from the other angle. Does benefit from having the double windows, so it's lovely and bright in here. Again, immaculate throughout. Properties like this don't stay on the market for long at all, so if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.